Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to vlog 4, and this is my very first unboxing, and I'm going to show you something very special. So over here, this is the box, right? But this is not just a normal box. This is a foldable stool, means the foldable chair. You may keep things inside. You can keep all these things inside here, so it will save some space. Yeah, so it will save some space. And even I kept all my usually I kept all my things right here to use it for the future. Like this, my selfie stick, I may sometimes use it for vlogging as usual, and you may like that, fold it like that, or even open it like that. Yeah, so this is just not just a normal stool. This is a foldable stool with a storage box. Yeah, so you see this is for you to sit onto it. So you see, I'm sitting onto it. So you see, this is not just a normal stool. It's a box one too. Yeah, and this really comfortable, and you can buy it at Miniso. Yeah, cost $12.90. You can buy it anywhere, but this sells at Tampines Hub. Yeah, so you may go there and buy it. So yeah. This is not just a normal stool, man. This is also a storage one, so you can keep things in this storage too. So let me capture it. What's up? So now it's the half video. So I apologize you guys for late. So this is the sitting thing. Then like something like a sofa, or how to say, I don't know, is a pillow or what. And this is the box. So usually just cover it like that smoothly, so it may replace to you. So there is many things to say. So the unboxing was good, and yeah, great, and also pretty special. So the unboxing was just that. So there is many things inside. So yeah, and this is the soft toy, doll holder, glue gun refiller, and glue gun refiller, and there is the microphone. Bluetooth speaker, and this is to make sure that the microphone is loud enough. So listen. Hello, do you guys hear me? So I just put like that. So do you guys hear me right now? Yeah. So this is and this is the Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, so mix your music more louder, and of course, so this is the things that you don't know, and this is the phone holder to clip your behind the to clip in case your phone unbalanced or what, and will drop very easily. And also there is a coloring marker. There is 2 selfie sticks in there. So one is this type and the other one is this type. So you may see what is in there. So there are many things to see, and yeah, so maybe that's all for today. Yeah. So this is my unboxing video, and there are please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sing Darling JJJ. Okay, I know very less people heard of these names, and nobody heard this kind of a name before. So this is Sing Darling JJJ's YouTube channel, and for once you may know what it is, and let me show you something that you never even seen it before. Yeah. So in that case, you may know what it is. So let me show you for a while. So let me prepare first. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done. So now let me show you what it is. Okay, so this is the black color spinner, white color spinners, blue color spinners, red color spinner, and this is an emoji fidget spinner. So wow, I have many spinners for now. Okay, so I hope you guys like it. And this is a photo of me when I was young, and yeah, many things. So this box is really special. So I hope you guys love it. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, and so great to see. Yep. So please subscribe to Sing Darling JJJ's YouTube channel, and my name is Angel. So Welcome to Sing Darling Jazz YouTube channel. Okay, I know people don't heard this kind of a name, so let me tell you what Sing Darling Jie means. Sing Jie is my Chinese name, but people like to put my name into the long name, so that's why it's called Sing Darling Jazz. Okay, so I hope you guys love it so much. Yeah, I hope you may subscribe to Sing Darling Jazz YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel is Sing Darling Jazz. Yeah, and hope you guys love it. Yeah. So if anything there is, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so see you on next one.
I'm at a party I don't wanna be at, and I don't ever wear a suit and tie. Wondering if I can sneak out the back. Nobody's even looking me in my eyes. When you take my hand, finish my drink, say shall we dance? Hell yeah. You know I love you, did I ever tell you? You make it better like that. Don't think I fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. Yeah, I always feel like I'm nobody. Who wants to fit in anyway? Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel that maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. You're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. We at a party we don't wanna be at. Trying to talk but we can't hear ourselves. Pictureless, I'd rather kiss them right back. But all these people all around are crippled with anxiety. But I'm told it's where I'm supposed to be. You know what? It's kinda crazy cause I really don't mind. Can you make it better like that? Don't think we fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. Oh yeah, yeah. When we walked in I said I'm sorry. But now I think that we should stay. Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. You're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. No, I don't like nobody but you. It's like you're the only one here. I don't like nobody but you, baby. I don't care. I don't like nobody but you. I hate everyone here. I don't like nobody but you, baby, yeah. Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah.